Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is sex determination. How is the sex of a baby determined? As we know, when a woman gives birth to a baby, it can be a boy or a girl. The sex of a baby to be born is decided at the time, at the moment the egg cell of women, that is mother, gets fertilized by the sperm of man and pregnancy occurs. The sex of a baby is determined by the type of sex chromosome. The sex determination depends upon by the sex chromosomes. By the sex chromosomes which is present in the fertilized egg, which is also called what? Zygote. Clear, children? Now, there are two types of sex chromosomes, that is X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. But before that, children, I would like to tell you that in man, in human beings, there are 23 pairs of what? Chromosomes. What are chromosomes? Chromosomes are thread-like structure which is present in the nucleoplasm of the nucleus, children. During the process of cell division, these chromosomes become condensed and become short and stout, and you can see in the form of chromosomes. Otherwise, you can see in those chromosomes in the form of chromatin network. So how many pairs of chromosomes are there in the nucleus of every cell? That is 23 pairs of chromosomes, male, female. Okay, children? 22, the last pair XY and the last pair is XX. It means in both male and female, 22 pairs of chromosomes are identical, and the last pair in the male and in the female is what? Different. So on the basis of that, we can say there are two types of sex chromosome, that is X and Y sex chromosomes. Clear, children? A female or woman or a mother has only X chromosomes in all her gametes called the eggs. As we know, in female's body, a pair of ovary is there, and that ovary is responsible for producing the gametes which are called what? Eggs or ova, children. So all the eggs or the ova, they have only one type of chromosomes, that is X. This means that all the female gametes have only X chromosome. A male or a man or a father has X chromosomes as well as Y chromosomes in male gametes called the sperm. As we know, male produces what? Sperms. And in male's body, there are two types of gametes are formed, that is X and Y, or we can say that all the sperms which are produced by the man, half of the sperm having the X chromosome and half of the sperm having what? Y chromosome, children. Now we can say that if the father or a man contributes X sex chromosomes at the time of fertilization through his sperm, the baby born will be a girl. On the other hand, if the father contributes a Y sex chromosome at the time of fertilization through his sperm, then the baby born will be a boy. This means that it is the sex chromosomes which contributed by father which decides the sex of the baby, which the mother will give birth to. The father is responsible for the sex of a baby which is born. Clear, children? So I will tell you now. Father and mother. These are what? These are what? Number one, parents. Okay. Now, the parents are able to produce what? Gamete. Father produces what? Sperms. And the mother produces what? Eggs. And the last pair, which is called the X chromosome, which is called the sex chromosome, in male is what? XY. And here is XX. 22 plus XY, 22 plus XX. Now, children. Now, there are two types of sperm are formed, that is X and Y. Here, two types of gametes, which are called X, are formed having the X chromosomes. So, these are what? Gametes. Now, during the process of fertilization, so at the last we can say that for a sex determination of a baby, who is responsible? The father is responsible. The belief that mother is responsible for the sex of her baby is absolutely wrong. In many ignorant Indian families, the mother is held responsible for the birth of a girl child and unnecessarily harassed. Such people should understand that it is the husband, it is the male, it is the father who is responsible for the birth of a girl child. Moreover, a girl is no less than a boy. That's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.